It is cold, 15 degrees right now. Right here in Gilladine, Spring Creek, above Spring Creek Baptist Church. Right here, I'm talking about right here where I live, we got some ice, but not as bad as off from here. In Tennessee was about the worstest place, they said. There's a bunch of trees down in Tennessee. And then, Spruce Pine got it bad too. Many vehicles on the road right now. A lot of people's having to go to work, and I pray that they'll make it to their job and back. And then people's working outside, the light people and all these emergency people, policemen and women, all them working, state men and women. Let's pray that they'll stay safe there.